Welcome back and let's understand natural language processing. In short, we call it NLP. So first of all, what is natural language processing? We know that human doesn't have a single language for communication. The languages change according to the region, country and community. But if we want, we can learn other languages. Now the question comes to mind is, how does a computer understand a human language? Well, we all know that computer understand only the binary languages. So NLP is a study of computational treatment of natural language. NLP is a part of artificial intelligence. But as we know, computer needs data to learn anything. So first of all, we will understand what is data. And data is basically like I'm talking to you, I'm asking what's your name. So basically I'm generating a data. So when we write a comment or text on social media or when we speak, we actually produce data. But the problem is that the data we produce is unstructured data. We can say a large amount of data that is generated today is unstructured, which requires processing to generate insights. The process of analyzing natural language and making sense out of it falls under the field of natural language processing (NLP). Sentiment analysis is a common NLP task which involves classifying text or parts of text into a predefined sentiment. For example, let's say you have 1000 products review. So piece of text written by the users, that reviews are written by the users. Can you build a system to automatically go through all of these product reviews to figure out what fraction of them are positive reviews versus negative reviews? We can build a classifier using NLP that will classify whether a sample of text is positive sentiment or a negative sentiment. So the next term comes under the NLP is the text mining, or you can call it text analysis. Basically what we do is we extract the meaningful data from the natural human language text that we have and we analyze that data. And there are the lots of natural language processing applications which we are using in day-to-day life. Like Google Translate from one language to another language, and sentiment analysis, and then you can say the speech recognition and autocorrection and many other applications. And we will be use Natural Language Toolkit NLTK, a commonly used NLP library in Python to analyze textual data. Okay, so this is the basic introduction of natural language processing. I think you should clear with this what is the NLP. And we are using the different applications of NLP, and in this course we are going to implement some of them.